During the Cuban Missile Crisis, Hawk was deployed to Key West. That was to protect the southern United States against a potential Soviet or Cuban attack on the southern United States during that crisis. In 1965, Hawk was deployed to the Republic of Vietnam. He was deployed there shortly after the Gulf of Tonkin incident, and that was to protect the two U.S. operating bases in the Republic of Vietnam. During Desert Shield and Desert Storm, we again deployed Hawk, initially into Bahrain and then expanding into Saudi Arabia to protect the buildup of coalition forces. Hawk continues worldwide to provide critical asset in force protection for a large number of U.S. and allied forces worldwide.
I think one of the strengths of Hawk, as it evolved through its various configurations, was its ability to support the military doctrine and concepts that were in place at the time. As an Army Air Defender with 30 years on active duty, I grew over that time to rely very heavily on the capability of the Hawk system, its adaptability to multiple mission sets, and its ability to support the U.S. forces wherever they needed to go, whether it be to protect maneuver forces or fixed assets, and do things such as the counter-narcotics operations that even the designers of the system had never envisioned for it. So it was a very adaptable, flexible system, and it still is today.
You know, worldwide, Hawk has gained a very good reputation for its performance and its lethality. It was something that was feared by all opposing nations, and air forces were very reluctant to try to penetrate a defended area if they knew it was protected by Hawk.
I think the biggest compliment that anyone can give a guided missile system is when you respect it so much you don't fly against it. You take a look at the number of systems that are fielded worldwide of any air defense system. The one that has the greatest respect, the one that has been flown against the least, is Hawk. And that's because when you fly against Hawk, you end up losing. It is a very reliable, very effective guided missile system.
And I think it's important to look at the future of Hawk because there's still a large number of countries around the world that depend on its capabilities on a daily basis. We see Hawk as a very natural transition point going forward to a program we call hawk-21, which adds in a new acquisition radar, the Sentinel radar, and also adding in an improved command and control capability. And those two elements provide some updated and more modern capability than we have currently existing in the Hawk inventory. At the same time, the Sentinel radar and the Fire Distribution Center are also the base pieces for our surface-launched AMRAAM program. So countries can upgrade the radar, and they can upgrade the Fire Distribution Center, and they can operate those with their current Hawk system. They can also operate those with the newer surface-launched AMRAAM launchers, or they can operate them in combination.
And we are continually working throughout the world to make Hawk the system that everyone has valued all these years. And Hawk is alive and well today and probably has many, many years of valued service in the future. And Raytheon looks forward to that. We're very proud of our system.
You know, when you have to rely on the system to protect your country or your military forces, the one system that you can really count on is Hawk.
We're very pleased to recognize the contributions Hawk has made to the defense of the U.S. and its allies over the past 50 years. We recognize there are still many international customers fielding Hawk today, and we look forward to working with them for continued upgrades and modernization of the Hawk system and offering them a transition into improved capabilities that more closely match the threats that all of us face today around the world.